All right, DIYers. Also this summer, I will be replacing my O2 sensors, right? Which are here. And here are the part numbers for the O2 sensors. There's a long and there's a short O2 sensor. And these are OEM parts for Honda. I paid about $300, $150 each per sensor. They're OEM parts though. So if you're going to purchase OEM parts from Honda, be prepared to open up the bank because it's going to cost you, okay? You can definitely do aftermarket parts. I just have chosen, since I'm keeping my 2002 Honda CRV LX front-wheel drive, since I'm keeping it and it's going to become my daily driver, I will be replacing every part I possibly can with original parts for Honda. So, like I said, once again, here are the O2 sensors, and they will be replaced this summer of 2026. So, all right, just wanted to share that with you DIYers. Peace.